okay? So eventually what happened was, okay, we already closed our this tonight opportunity, which is on the crypto itself last month. Okay, last month was the last month, and then last month was the last month, correct? So last month is actually the last batch, okay, for the people to come in for the crypto. And then you also know, okay, the markets right now is a bit, to some of the people, they probably will find that, hey, it's a bit unpredictable. I don't know what to do, okay, with crypto, but I wanted to come in, okay, but I just don't know how. So anyway, okay, after the last batch itself, we also do talk to our business partners over here to get the crypto deal. So I do understand that, you know, most of the people in this room today, okay, you guys are coming in because you wanted to grow your money or you wanted to put your money into this crypto opportunity. So you are here to know more, okay? So before I go in for today's sessions, later I'm going to have another project manager over here. His name is Kirti. So he will be the person who's going to do the sharing, okay? But before he come in, okay, can I check first from the people who are right now in the room, near to 40 of you guys, okay? So can I see how many of you here do have experience in trading in crypto, either by your own or you invest into somebody funds? If you do have that experience before, can you type a 1 for me? Type a 1. If you never, then you type 0. Very simple. It's either 1 or 0. So if you do involve, okay, in the crypto trading or crypto investment by your own, you put a 1. And then if you never, then you put 0. I wanted to see the majority over here, whether you guys have that knowledge or have that fundamental in dealing with such opportunities or not. Okay, so I would say Thomas did before, Kairunisha also, but the rest is mainly 0. Okay, cool. So those who put in 001, okay, I just want to make disclaimer over here. So whatever we're going to share today on the opportunity itself is that because we knows that, okay, we also do notice people like me, myself, okay, I don't have time to go and monitor the market. And then myself also cannot take that kind of, you know, suddenly shoot up very high and then suddenly drop again, you know, that kind of heart attack. I cannot. Okay, so because of that as well, we have this business partner that is actually helping us to manage the funds, okay, for the members and for the investors over here as well. So they actually don't really do that, okay, which later Kirti, which is my team, going to do the sharing later. Okay, he's going to share to you guys who are him and then what is their track records and things like that. So how do we also protect our investor interest in that way also? Okay, so over here, I just let you all know first, if anyone's here today, you are looking at to trade by yourself, then so sorry, okay, tonight's session is not for you. Okay, it's not for you. But over here, it's more true if you are looking at somewhere to put your funds to grow your money in the crypto, okay, in crypto itself without worrying about the market, okay, and someone will help you to do the buy and sell. If you are someone like that, you want a passive income one, in crypto itself, you put a $sign for me, okay, you put a $sign. Then I will say that, yes, then tonight's session is suitable for you, okay, tonight's session then is suitable. If you are here looking to trading yourself, I welcome you to come in and then to learn some fundamental or some basics, okay, from Kirti over here. Himself also, I think he somehow found his new passion in crypto. Okay, he used to be the project manager for Dato, okay, for Dato Michael to actually set up all the seminars, education in overseas. Okay, he been travel up and down to Cambodia, to Thailand and all that. And then somehow during MCO, I think he found his new passion in crypto. So now he's our project manager for these crypto funds itself. Okay, so those who put in the $sign, welcome. I will definitely welcome you guys to come in later. But at the same time, if you're looking at to trading yourself and things like that, probably you will need to wait a little bit more, because right now I don't have the, honestly speaking, okay, our professionals or our experts over here, they don't really have the classes, okay, to give you a full force on guiding you how to do the trading by your own. Okay, because I think the WBC over here, what we want is to share with our investor to diversify your portfolio. Okay, so you can go into a different fundings and then you enjoy the returns from there. But of course, along the way, when they are coming back or they resume their seminars on teaching you guys to how to do the trading, then yes, we will also open up the opportunity to you guys to learn from them as well. Okay, on doing how you want to do a trading by your own. Okay. So I don't have to take too much of the time. Okay, there are some people in the room. Hey, by the way, just a small reminder, because I think there's some of you here pretty new. Okay, pretty new. You don't come in with Huawei. You don't come in with iPad. Okay. I would say, yeah, I think my line a bit yeah, okay, a bit not stable. So over here, okay, I will just say because my team will need to verify you before letting you come in. Because whatever we're going to share tonight, okay, the opportunity is exclusively today. You guys are the members over here. You are free to ask also your questions, and you can see we are limiting the people here, which is between 50 people, so that is it still lagging? Now, yes, no, yes. I because I can see Cairo Nisha, you know. So sorry. Okay, because I can see her, so I thought my line is okay. Is it okay now? Okay, now James said okay. 30 laugh already. Ha ha. So 30, I need you already. Okay, I think because of raining, my side here a bit raining, so you know I cannot tahan unify already. Okay, then I don't talk so much already. Okay, I just somehow I think the line breaking is because to remind me to stop talking and let you guys to go into the opportunity. Okay, so I don't get coming for the opportunity. Come put in OOO for opportunity. I'm going to check if my project manager Kati is here. Okay, Kati, can you come and rescue me? My line not stable already. They're going to chase me out from the room.
Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Hello, Kati. Yes.
Okay. So I think Amy
Is
is
it my
frozen.
line or your line?
Amy, I'll
Oh,
take
we
over
both our
you.
line.
Okay, guys. Can hear, right? Okay, I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah, y'all can hear Kati.
Can you guys see my screen? Okay, Nicholas said yes. Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna delay like Amy. Okay. So this opportunity is from Sterlington Company. Okay, so would appreciate if there's no audio or video recording done. Okay, today I'll be sharing about crypto investment opportunity. But before I start, can I share a little bit about myself? If yes, then you can type yes. Okay. Okay, about myself. All right. So I've been following Dato Michael since 2017. Okay, I helped him set up the educational and investment arm regionally and was the country manager in charge of Cambodia from 2018 to 2020. But right after MCO, we started back again. So we are currently still in Cambodia. Okay, today I'm currently a project manager in Sterlington, overseeing several projects, including dropshipping, real estate, crypto, and plantation, but mostly on crypto. Okay, I was part of the Sterlington team in charge of crypto division since 2020, which worked closely with specialists like Anson and Pubalin. So these two names later I will talk about them. Okay, I'm a property and crypto investor myself. I bought properties, no money down, and also made more than 300% returns in crypto trading. Okay, so this is me. Okay, so how many of you don't mind if I share my crypto investment journey? How many of you want to know more? Type C over there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you my spot trading result. But before that, how many of you guys know what is spot trading? Or how many of you don't know? If you don't know, you put X. If you know, you put S. So let me see. How many of you guys know what is spot trading? Okay, most of you guys don't know. Okay, so spot trading occurs in spot market, which are either exchange-based or over-the-counter. Okay, when trading in spot market, okay, you can only use assets that you own. There is no leverage. Okay, spot traders try to make profit in the market by purchasing assets and hoping they will rise in value. Okay, they can sell their assets later on the spot market for profit when the price increases. It's very straightforward. Okay, so back then when I first started, okay, 17 August 2020, okay, I bought Ethereum. Okay, this one coin called Ethereum. It was about 400 USD. Okay, so I bought about 10 Ethereum, 400 USD. Currently the price is at 1,002, 1,003 maybe. Okay, so I'm still making money over there. Then there's this coin called Luna. A few months after that, I bought it at this is the price. Okay, I bought 107 Luna at 7 USDT. When I sold it, it was at 90 USDT. So I made about 1,100%. So how many of you guys think this is good? Making 1,100% over the course of 1 year, 1.5 years? Good, right? 1,100%. What do you guys think? Good, good. Okay, so I think the rest of you guys, okay. So this is spot trading. Spot trading long term. Okay, you make money long term. So futures trading, okay, future trading, you use leverage to trade. Okay, leverage refers to using borrowed capital to make trades. Leverage trading can amplify your buying or selling power, okay, allowing you to trade larger amounts. So even if your initial capital is small, you can use it as collateral to make leverage trades. Okay, leverage trading can multiply your potential profit and also subject to high risk. So when I first started, okay, look at this, negative 1,000%. But lucky for me, I put a small amount. Okay, so after that, what I did was I tried to close it, okay, and then later on I make 645%, 956%. So when I closed this, it was at this price, okay, 1,000% each. Okay, so one is about 8,000, one is about 6,000. Okay, but this one you can do short term, okay, but it's very, very high risk, can go up to negative 1,000%. How many of you guys think leverage trading is good? Okay, short term, then you can make more money. Short term make more money, but you can also lose big money. Okay, you can even lose everything. So one thing I learned from here is it's always better to learn or scale up. Okay, don't gamble. Okay, or better still, let the experts do the work for you. Okay, if you can't be a full-time trader because you love your job, you got to get someone to do it for you. Yeah, correct, heart attack. You know, if you do future trading, you have a lot of sleepless night. Okay, so before we talk about crypto, okay, let's rewind time and talk about the evolution of money. Okay, long time ago, we used to have barter system to get something we want. How many of you guys know what is barter system? Or how many of you guys don't know? Usually the younger ones will know what is barter system. Okay. Example, we want to get milk. Maybe we barter with eggs. If we want to get a cow, so maybe we barter with 2 goats. Okay, but that is long time ago. Then what happened was they started using gold. Okay. Everyone here like gold, right? Gold was a very precious commodity. Okay, they used gold to start trading. Okay, after that, they started using metal coins. You know shillings, right? We still have it, but we barely carry it around. Then we have paper money. Do you guys know? Okay, paper money is nothing but IOU. That means long time ago, they used to write IOU, 2 coins of gold, IOU, 5 coins of silver. Okay, you know, like our 555 book. I'm also lagging. Okay, am I lagging, guys? Anyone else see me lagging a bit? No, nope, nope. You're good. Nope, nope. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Okay, Yvonne, I think you're lying, maybe. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so again, the problem with all this physical currency is they carry a lot of weight. Okay, very tough to carry all these coins and gold around. Okay, from heavy metal, they use paper. After that, how many of you guys realized these past 2 years? Okay, have you been using a lot of paper money, or what have you been using? Credit card or e-money, right? E-money is like your Grab wallet, Touch and Go wallet. I think now Shopee also got wallet, WeChat. Okay, how many of you guys agree that paper is becoming more digital? Okay, even money is becoming digital. Okay, so this is where crypto comes in. Okay, it's just a digital form of currency. How many of you guys agree that it's a matter of time that everything will go digital? Okay, even the billboard by the roadside, everything is going digital, right? Okay, so next, what is Bitcoin and what is blockchain? How many of you guys know what is Bitcoin? Or how many of you guys don't know what is Bitcoin? Come, if you know Bitcoin, you put B. Okay, if you don't know, you put a 0 there. Let's see. Or at least heard about it. Okay, quite a number of you guys heard, huh? Okay, come, I tell you a little bit about Bitcoin. Okay, it was only launched in 2009. Okay, do you know it was only introduced less than 20 years ago? As a matter of fact, it was only 13 years ago. It was usually used for gamers. Okay, at that time, it was for rewards. Okay, so like you play game, you win, and then they give you like 100 BTC, 100 Bitcoin, 200 Bitcoin. Okay, but the value then was quite very low. Okay, why do we use crypto so much? Okay, because it's very transparent. Okay, do you know you can track everything? It's totally transparent. You know every single wallet doing what transaction at what time. Okay, transparency is only in the interaction. Only the transaction can be seen. Nobody will know who did the transaction because it's anonymous. Okay, that means it won't disclose who you are. They can only see the crypto wallet ID. They cannot find out who you are. So it's actually quite safe for you. You can do all your trading anonymously. Now, why is this important for us? Okay, clearly for me is because I don't want the government to be tracking me. Okay, so this is where decentralization comes in, meaning that, okay, just say you want to transfer 1 million from one account, 1 million ringgit from one account to another. Okay, the other account is a third party. Do you think the bank will know? Of course they know, right? Do you think they'll give you a call? 1 million ringgit. Of course you'll get a call, right? Unless you're a certain minister, then of course they don't call you. But they will call you to verify. And if you cannot give 3 simple answers for KYC purposes, okay, what's the purpose of this transfer? Where did you get the money from? Why such a big order? Okay, they need legitimate proof. And if you cannot provide any of this, they will cancel the order, even if it's your money. Okay. But in crypto, you don't have to worry about anything. Just press one button. Okay, you can transfer 1 million, 10 million, and even more within seconds, and nobody will stop you. Actually, nobody can stop you. Okay. Do you think this is good? On top of that, this is all trackable, but no names being mentioned. Now, finally, the last part, okay? Limitation. It's not like money. Do you know this is the most valuable part about Bitcoin because it's limited? If you don't understand this, do you know that money is being printed right now? The government can print and reproduce money at any one time. That's a bit stupid because then why are we working so hard, right? When the government has no money, they simply print money, okay? And then money becomes nothing. When I say nothing, is less value, okay? But in Bitcoin, okay, everything is accounted for and cannot be reproduced anymore. No one can control this ecosystem, okay? This is not possible for anyone to replicate more Bitcoin. There's only 21 million Bitcoin out there in the market, okay? So over here, I'm going to show you market cap. Okay, so I'm going to compare between gold and Bitcoin. So market cap is total value of the asset. If you invested in gold 7 years ago, you would have made 40% in 2021. That is still better than your FD, right? That's because in 2021, market cap increased additional 2.4 trillion. That's a lot of money that went into gold. For Bitcoin, from 6 billion in 2015 to 1 trillion market cap in 2021. So imagine if you invested in 2015, you would have made 200x. Okay, that's like putting in $1,000. Okay, and it became $200,000. Now, a silly question. How many of you guys wish you bought some Bitcoin back then? No one. Okay. Why is this? Does anybody know? Anybody knows why? Why the price can increase so much? I will be laughing to the limitation. Okay, good. It's because of supply and demand. Okay, the supply of BTC is very limited. Okay, if 1 trillion is put into Bitcoin today, it can easily flip at least 2x. Okay, if 1 trillion is put into gold, I think it will only gain you about 20%. Okay, the supply is already too high. Okay, it won't change too much. Okay, so the next question, why we need crypto? Does anybody know why we need crypto in the world right now? Oh, you guys are too shy. Excuse me. Okay, why we need crypto? The world is printing money. Okay, more money leads to inflation. Example, when money is being printed, the amount of goods doesn't change. Okay, it's the same amount of goods that being produced. Household will have more money to spend. When more money are chasing the same amount of goods, the price will definitely shoot up. Okay, what happens in the crypto world? Institutional investors and company will start buying. When demand is higher with limited supply, the price will shoot up. Okay, over here, okay, QE, quantitative easing statistic. Okay, QE means printing money. As you can see, this chart starts from 2006 to 2020. Okay, it doesn't stop printing. After 2021, it's even more crazy. Last year itself, they printed even more. Okay, so when the supply of fiat USD increases, what happened to the value? The value goes down. So since the value of fiat has decreased, normally what will people do? They'll find some other alternative to hedge their money. Okay, so they look into other investment. Most commonly will be properties, stock, gold, forex, okay, or other investment that gives good returns. But now people are going into cryptocurrency. Why Bitcoin price can increase more than the others? Just because Bitcoin supply is very limited. Okay, so this is active crypto traders across the globe. This was last year's statistic, okay? Out of 8 billion people, 24 million is in crypto. So that's like 3%, okay? People think it's too late to go into crypto. That's not true, okay? In 2021, this is the amount of people who trade Bitcoin, okay? It's only 3% in 2021. 2022 is definitely more, okay? I know some people who just started this year, but I'm going to ask you guys, how many of you guys started, if not trading, at least buy a cryptocurrency this year? Anyone? Yes? No? Anyone? Let's see if you're part of the 4% now or 5%. Nobody. How come? How come you guys are not exposed to crypto? Not yet. Last year, Colin. Okay. So you're part of the 3%. The rest of you guys? Don't know how. Yvonne. Okay. The rest of you guys? No. Muhammad, no. The rest of you guys? No. Nicholas, no. Why, yeah? Cairo, Nisha, XRP. So Cairo, Nisha, I think what, through Luno? Yes, no, okay. Last year, wrong place, Shiba. Don't understand how, okay. Try asking your friend and ask them about crypto, but ask you guys also, okay? Some of you guys will say, crypto is a scam, hanky-panky, not safe, it's a gamble. It's still happening, okay? I've been making money on in crypto, okay? But when I show my brother, okay, he also don't believe in crypto, okay? I don't know why. I think you guys heard a lot of things, is it? Or maybe my next slide will answer my question. Is this the question that you guys have been asking? Is crypto legal? What do you guys think? Is crypto legal? Too many scam. Yes. What about the rest? Is crypto legal? What do you think? Not yet legalized. No fundamental underlying assets. Not yet legalized. Yes. No. So when you guys said no, it means illegal, right? Okay. So 2021 crypto regulation around the world, yet legalized in Malaysia. Okay. So no right or no wrong answer. Okay. So over here, countries where Bitcoin is banned or legal in 2020. Okay. In US, it's mostly legal everywhere. More than 70% of the countries in the world accept crypto. Okay, while some parts of Asia is restricted. Restricted doesn't mean it's illegal. Okay, it means there are some regulations you need to follow. Okay, in Malaysia, it is still legal. Okay, but only 4 to 5 applications or exchanges are recognized by the Security Commission. That's the one you see on the right. Okay, but these apps have limited coins. Okay, and the transactions are very limited. Why I say limited? Okay, never mind. The government can see what you're doing over here, okay, because it's regulated. Okay, when you deposit or withdraw from your wallet, they will know that you are either making profit or not making profit. Okay, but you guys might be wondering, how come Binance is banned here in Malaysia? Binance is one of the biggest exchange in the world. Okay, but Malaysia banned Binance. Okay, it's not because it's illegal. Okay, it's just that they cannot get terms with Security Commission of Malaysia. Okay, but if you use Luno, okay, there's only limited coins that you can buy. Okay, I think just now someone said Luno. Okay, Joe said Luno. Okay, over here, Bitcoin went institutional. What about Huobi? Huobi, we use Huobi as well, James. Okay, we use Huobi. I still use Binance. We have Bybit as well. Okay, there are actually many. Okay, but you need to do your own research. Okay, about these exchanges. So Bitcoin went institutional. What does it mean? Okay, in late 2020, okay, MicroStrategy became the first publicly traded company in the US to buy and hold Bitcoin as part of its balance sheet. You see, if companies start buying Bitcoin, what do you think people will do? Of course, people will start going into, right? MicroStrategy is holding 130,000 Bitcoin that is worth 3.5 billion in today's price at an average price of 30 over 1,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so MicroStrategy is a bit crazy. Okay, here's the most interesting part. As you can see this, okay, Michael Saylor, he used to condemn Bitcoin back then. He said, Bitcoin days are numbered. It seems like it's just a matter of time before it suffers the same fate as online gambling. Okay, can you see the date of the tweet? Okay, so much again, Bitcoin. This is 2013, and then you see the one below on September 14, 2020. Okay, MicroStrategy completed its acquisition of 16,000 over Bitcoin at an aggregate purchase price of 175 million. So can you see in okay, this guy is the CEO of MicroStrategy. Okay, as you can see, even the worst person who at that time was against Bitcoin became the biggest purchaser of Bitcoin. Can you imagine how the tables have turned? Okay, you know what's the worst part? This is not even his money. Okay, this is company's money. Can you imagine how crazy a person can be? Okay, if he's willing to put his own money, then okay lah, we all can believe. But if a person can buy crypto using company's money, then it's a bit over lah, right? But at the end of the day, he is still the largest owner of Bitcoin. Okay, so as you can see, from a person who was a non-supporter to become #1 most owned Bitcoin, that shows how much okay crypto has changed the world. Okay, over here you can also start buying crypto using PayPal. Okay, even Facebook has gone into crypto. Okay, they even changed their name to Meta. Over here, Adidas has collaborated with Coinbase, who is one of the largest exchange in US, crypto exchange in US. Okay, as you can see, those small boxes over here, okay, they are called sandbox. So what is a sandbox? Sandbox is like a piece of land, okay, but it's a land in the metaverse. Here, Adidas has come up with some exciting idea, okay, where you can use your VR goggle and walk into the metaverse. Okay, you can make your purchases over there. How many of you guys think this is cool? You don't need to be physically there at the store to make purchases, but you can see everything as though you're there. I mean, during MCO, this will be cool because, you know, a lot of people cannot go out. Okay, so in the first image over here, you can see Coinbase got listed on NASDAQ. Coinbase is one of the biggest exchange in US. Why is this a good thing? When a crypto exchange is listed on NASDAQ, it means you can start buying the exchange's stock. Okay, this is how big crypto has become. And then you have ETF over here, the Bitcoin link ETF, okay, it's for futures. Also trading in New York Stock Exchange. So as you can see from a company, okay, to authority, what's next? To a country. Okay, El Salvador has started accepting cryptocurrencies. Okay, they accept crypto as a legal tender. What does legal tender means? Okay, it means you can buy, you can sell, you can even pay salary with Bitcoin. Okay, how many of you guys want to get paid in Bitcoin? Or at least, you know, when you invest, your returns get in Bitcoin. How many of you guys want to get paid? Nobody wants to get paid in Bitcoin. I think those who know cryptocurrency, then they don't mind getting paid in Bitcoin, right? Where to keep? Okay, keeping is easy. Okay, you just need to have a crypto wallet. Okay, over here, okay, crypto field derivatives. Okay, we have DeFi. Okay, we have GameFi, where you play games and use crypto to make purchases in the game. Okay, we have NFT as well. Okay, NFT can really make you a lot of money. Excuse me. There was this guy who took a selfie of himself and sold it as NFT, okay, and became an overnight millionaire. Okay, why is it so crazy? What's the value in it? The value is defined by the purchaser. Okay, it's the demand and supply. Just like going to an art gallery. Okay, when you see an art, sometimes it's worth thousands, you know, sometimes millions, but it doesn't attract you, but it attracts someone else. So it's the same over here. Okay. Crypto is no longer used for basic level. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you this is to tell you that crypto has 2 levels right now. Okay, making it more stable. If people think it will fall, I personally think it won't. Okay, it's not just for basic use, but it's for fun usages as well. Okay, so it continues to build, and yes, it's becoming a metaverse, a new universe. Okay, everything is going digital right now. So all this while, everything seems so nice to hear, right? Easy to make money, easy to lose money. Okay, NFT, you can make money so fast. Okay, but do you think you can get into crypto without knowing the fundamentals and still make a lot of money? How many of you think you can just throw in $100 today, okay, and you can make 10x your money tomorrow, or maybe the day after, or within a week? If you think you can make money within a week, okay, 10x, you type C over there. If you think you cannot, you type N. Let's see. So fast, there's 2, 3 no's, 4 no, 5 no. How many of you think yes? Come, let me see how many of you think can make money easily. Everyone said no. No. This is the first time I see no. Everyone say no. Okay. The answer can be yes, and the answer can be a no. Okay. Why I say yes? Only if you play long term. Okay, 4 to 5 years. Okay, you play long term, you'll make a lot of money. Okay, the answer can also be no. If you play short term, okay, maybe 6 months to 12 months, maybe a year. Okay, because sometimes the market goes sideways. Okay, so the price doesn't increase. But long term, yes, the price go up, the price goes down. Okay, when crypto rises, it can go very high. Okay, when it drops, it can all plunge in one day. Okay, over here you see one day, this red candles over here. Okay, this was late 2017 and early 2018. Okay, the top was 20,000. Okay, it can go as low as 6,000 and get stuck there for 2 years. So where am I going with this? If you stay at 20,000 up to 2021, which was last year, you can still make a lot of money. Okay, when you sell it at 60,000, buy 20,000, sell 60,000, you make 40,000. But it will take you 3 to 4 years. Can you wait that long? If you can, it's okay. Go for long term. Accumulate your crypto. But if you can't, then this is not the way to do it. Okay, you need to manage it well. So how do you do it? Either you learn, okay, either you skill up or get the expert to do it for you. Okay, so this is where we have collaborated with the expert. Okay, so our crypto investment fund 2022. Okay, who are we working with? We are working with Anson Tan. Okay, he's a young gentleman. Okay, he's also a student of Dato Michael. Okay, he was the one that told me to buy Ethereum at $400. Okay, I'm actually very grateful for someone to actually take his time and text me to buy one Ethereum, but instead of buying one, I bought 10. Okay, so this guy, let me tell you about his portfolio. So he started to trade 4 years ago, since 2018. Okay, full-time trader under the guidance of David Justin. If you don't know who David Justin is, you can check out on Facebook. Okay, he's one of the crypto guru in Malaysia. Okay, they have a company managed by a group of 6 professional traders with proven result. Okay, one of the proven result is this. Okay, so last year he got himself this car. Okay, at the age of what, 22, 23, driving a Lambo. I think is no joke, right? So Anson's previous success. This was our previous crypto investment. Okay, our WBC members invested using Bitcoin with us. Okay, Bitcoin, BTC. Yeah. As you can see, there are 4 batches over here. One is September 2020, and then another 2040 November, then June 2021, and another is July 2021. Okay, so you see the dates are inconsistent. I'll tell you why. Okay, so WBC members bought in the dips. So technically, we have attended David Justin class twice, but yet to understand. Then I guess, Joanne, if it's not for you, then you need to get someone to trade for you, okay, and make the money for you. Okay, so anyways, back here. Okay, so WBC member bought in the dips. So what does it mean is, Anson gave us a signal when to buy Bitcoin back in 2020. Okay, so our members bought it here. September members bought it here. Okay, and then November over here. And then the next one bought it over here just before the price increase. And then the last one bought it over here before the price increase. Okay. How many of you guys think it's good to have someone to tell you when to buy? Not good. Excellent. Yes. Of course. Okay. So over here, I'm going to show you. Okay. So total BTC invested. So we gave Anson about 23 Bitcoin. Okay. When return, it was about 30 Bitcoin. Okay. So batch 1 and batch 2. Okay. ROI was 670%. Okay, not only they get their interest, but also capital appreciation. You can look over here. Okay, when they invested in Bitcoin, it was 11,000. Okay, they bought Bitcoin at 11,000, but when they received back their Bitcoin, it was about 60 over 1,000. Okay, so not only you get your interest in your Bitcoin, but you also have your capital appreciation. Okay, so invested was 1.3 million. Okay, and then returned back to us was 8 million. Okay, how many of you think this was a good investment? Really good. Okay. What about the rest? Don't think it's good. Or your expectations are higher. Very good. Okay. So usually after my pitching, there are investors who ask me, so much Bitcoin given to Anson for him to trade for us. What if he runs away with the money? So sometimes, it's good to wonder. Okay, too good to be true, Adrian. Okay. So what if he runs away with the money? Okay, so this is something you guys don't have to worry. Okay, we have an agreement signed between both parties. So our money is safe with their team. What is B1, B2, B3? Is the level? No, I'm just kidding. It's batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4. Okay. Okay, so again, we have an agreement signed between both parties. So investors sign an agreement with Dr. Michael. Dr. Michael signed an agreement with the traders, fund managers. Okay. Okay, how to generate profit in crypto? Okay, spot trading. I told you about spot trading just now, right? So it's very straightforward. It's just like going over the counter and buy something. You can buy at today's price. Tomorrow the price goes up, you sell at that price. Yes, you don't need to trade yourself, Adrian. Okay, so you buy on the spot. This is why it's called spot trading. Okay, because it's on the spot. So I'll give you an example. So today the price of Bitcoin is, assuming the price of Bitcoin is 10,000 USD. Okay, tomorrow the price goes up to 12,000. If you sell, you make 2,000. Okay, if the price goes down to 9,000, you will lose 1,000 if you sell it. Okay, so usually people when the price goes down to 9,000 or 8,000, they don't sell, they just hold it. Okay, because you still have the Bitcoin as an asset. So technically, spot trading, you don't lose money unless you realize it. Okay, realize loss or profit. So over here, you can see, okay, it's very straightforward. You buy at a price and then you sell at a higher price. Okay, you make money. You sell at a lower price, you lose money. Okay, you can win, you can lose. But the whole purpose of spot trading is to make your wins more than your losses. So if you can understand the market better, okay, you'll be able to make more wins than losses. As you can see over here, that their winnings are exceptionally big. Okay, yes, they have losses, but it's at a manageable percentage, like what, 10%, 11%? They told me before, they will make sure they don't lose more than 10 to 12%. Okay, they have lost money, correct, but they have made more money. Okay, after that, okay, they actually made more. I think you can see over here, right? 280%, okay, 69%, 400%. So their past trading performance, okay, let me show you. It's not bad over the years. 2017 was a bull market. Okay, they made 508%. Then following year was bear market. So usually bear market people lose money because spot trading is not easy to make profit. Okay, so 2018 they made 58%. And then the year after that, 2019, is 76% increase. Okay, so this is consistency. Okay, 2020 is 209%. How many of you guys think this is good? 508%, and then bear market still profitable, and then constantly go up. Okay, so this is good. All right, so then we have future trading, the one that is scary for me. Adrian, how about 2021 and 2022? Okay, 2021, I already showed you. Okay, the Lamborghini is one of it. Okay, and then 2022 is still this year. Okay, we have three batches of this investment this year. Okay, they are going to get their returns next year. Okay, so once we get that, I'll upload my slides. Okay, so future trading. Okay, so future trading, you use leverage to trade. Leverage refers to using borrowed capital to make trades. Leverage trading can amplify your buying or selling power, okay, allowing you to trade larger amounts. So even if your initial capital is small, you can use it as collateral to make leverage trades, okay? While leverage trading can multiply your potential profit, it's also subject to high risk. Okay, so in this example, today Bitcoin price is at 10,000. Okay, a lot of people don't want to spend money to buy Bitcoin, one Bitcoin. Okay, they don't want to spend so much, so they open an order using 1,000 USD. Okay, so you leverage it 10 times, so 1,000 becomes 10,000. Okay, you guys can follow? Can follow, right? Leverage trading. So you have only 1,000. Okay, so you use leverage from the exchange 10 times. Okay, so 1,000 becomes 10,000. Okay, so imagine if you can use 1,000 to become 10,000. Okay, you enter the market and when it goes to 11,000, you make 1,000. Okay, but if the price goes higher, you will make more for sure. Okay, but if Bitcoin price goes down to 9,000, you will eventually lose your 1,000 capital. Okay, so the advice that I would give you is you only use leverage trading only if you know how to read the charts or the market. You cannot just go in as a gambler. Okay, 99% of the time you will lose. Okay, can we still go in at 1000 USD? This is minimum enterprise. No, Michelle, no, this is an example. Okay, you can go in with 10, 20, 30 USD as well. Okay, for leverage trading. Okay, even to buy crypto, you can use that on spot trading also. You can use 10, 20, 50, 100 USD. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so over here is hold on. Okay, so over here is the winning rate. It's about 90% over here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so over here you can see 90% winning rate in November last year. Okay, so this is Anson's personal record. Okay, they always have a plan whenever they trade. Okay, I'm not going to go too technical on this. Okay, as you can see, they come up with a plan and be sure to follow it. Okay, they know when to enter, when to exit, and when to use stop losses. Okay, they're very, very disciplined. Okay, this is how professional traders trade. No emotions involved. Okay, because when you put your emotion into it, you will think that the price will go higher or higher or higher, and you will never make money because the price will dump on you. Okay, here you can see they made a lot of money from 39 Bitcoin, okay, to 52 Bitcoin in 26 days. Okay, it's just very crazy. Here, 39 Bitcoin to 52 Bitcoin in 26 days. Okay, so this, yeah, Joanne, leverage trading, I think you should start with spot trading first. Don't go into leverage. Once you understand spot trading well, okay, you make money from there, then you can go into leverage. Okay, so this example is a bit technical. Okay, I'll try to give you an example. So over here, when they go in, okay, BTC price was about 10,000. Okay, they put in 20,000. Okay, so along the way, the PTP is partially take profit and they throttle. So throttle means they keep pumping in money to average the entry point. So at the end of the trade, the entry point was 41,000. Okay, and then they realized their profit at 55,000. Okay, so they made 2.9 million. Okay, margin trading is a bit different. Okay, I'm not really sure because I don't use it, but I don't think it's the same because if it's same, then I would have used it. I use leverage on it. Okay, so over here you can see 0.2 Bitcoin became 3.08, become 10.7. Okay, so this is where they make the money. Okay, so let me show you risk management. Okay, they are playing it very, very safe. Okay, 80% of their funds are invested in spot market. Okay, because that's the safest thing to do. 20% goes into future. Okay, yes, the return can be very, very high when you play leverage, but it's also very, very high risk. These guys has got proven track record in both spot and future trading. Okay, that's why we are working with them. We've been working with them since 2020. Okay, many people ask me after the pitching, now Bitcoin price is so low and it fluctuates so much. What if it goes any lower? Sure can't make money, right? Okay, so Anson and their team are not going to buy Bitcoin and just hold until what, 3 to 5 years, okay, and then give you the profit. Okay, like that, you also can just do that, right? You can just buy and just hold it yourself. These guys trade against the market. Okay, they buy low, they sell high. Okay, so when the price goes down again lower, they'll buy it then, and then price goes higher. Okay, they sell it. They constantly do that. So it doesn't matter what's Bitcoin price or Ethereum price or any other coin's price. Okay. And also, you guys don't have to worry when you come into this investment. Okay, they don't only trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, the mainstream coins. Okay, they trade other coins with good fundamental. Okay, Anson has his own team to do analysis on other coins. So they're definitely not going to buy Dogecoin or Shiba or whatever coins that they hear that pump one day and then the next day they dump. Okay, so even if in 3 to 5 years later, okay, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin price is still around the same range, okay, 16 to 20,000, okay, it will still be profitable to them because of the way they trade. Okay. Okay. So here is the moment you guys are waiting for. Okay, I think I spoke a lot about the past record and crypto. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you about the crypto investment project 2022. Okay, this is the last project, okay, for the year. Okay, how many of you guys want to know more? If yes, type more. I see 50 people in the room, but it's only about 10 of you guys that reply me. So now I'm just gonna see how many people type more. Okay, then only I will continue. I still see the same name. What about the rest of you guys? You guys are here? Okay lah, at least got about 30 more. Okay. Okay, thank you. So here we are only taking 2 million ringgit. Okay. So the duration of the fund is 36 months. Okay. This is a first come, first serve basis. Okay. The projection is 200% to 500% in 3 years. That's it. 5x. Okay. They're targeting 5x, but to be conservative, 2x to 5x. Okay or not? 2x to 5x in 3 years. Is it good? Okay. But I tell you first, you're not going to get the full 5x. Okay. There'll be a profit sharing between them and you guys. Okay. There'll be two types of returns. Now, if I were to tell you that you put your money in today with us, okay, and then 3 years later only we give you back your money with the returns, will you be comfortable? Okay. Again, I repeat, if I were to tell you to put your money with us today, and then 3 years later only we give you back your money, your capital and your returns, will you be okay with it? No, no. Okay. Of course, I'll say no as well. Okay. The reason will be because year 1, year 2, year 3, you don't get anything. What if it doesn't 5x at the end of year 3, correct? That's why we will have to give you something more exciting. Okay. Will it be okay if we were to give you some returns while waiting for it to 5x? Will it be okay? Okay. Okay. Here we have something called fixed interest payment. Okay. And the fixed interest is something like this. But before that, okay, we are going to use USDT. Okay, USDT. Okay, it's something like USD, but it's digital. Okay, it's a crypto version of USD. The investment fund will be in USDT, not USDD. Yeah, USDT. Yeah? Don't change, don't confuse. Okay, it means that you have to open a crypto wallet. Okay, now you don't have to worry about that because we will be assisting you on how to open an account. Okay, it will only take about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, Adrian, wait, this is fixed return. Okay, fixed return is not at the end of year 3. Okay, okay, again, you will need a crypto wallet. Okay, and you don't have to worry because we will be assisting you to open an account. Okay, it will only take about 20 to 30 minutes. So the minimum fund size is 2,500 USDT. Okay, and then we have 5,000 and we have maximum 10. Actually, it's not maximum. USD 10,000 is one. If you want to put more, you can. Excuse me. You can talk to our customer service later. Okay. So we have a good news for you. The good news is we are okay. Before that, let me ask you one question. Will you guys be okay if 2,005 or 5,000 or 10,000 receive the same amount of interest? Are you guys okay with that? Like, okay, I put 10,000, but the other person put 2,005. Are you guys okay to share the same amount of interest? Oh, Zaini is okay. So Zaini, if you put 10,000 and the other person put 2,500, you're okay to get the same amount of interest. Okay, you won't say no. No, no, no. Okay, so I just need you guys to say it, okay? Okay, so we're going to, yes, Indonesia, thank you, not fair. Okay, so we're going to give you 7% for 2005, 8% for 5,000, 5,000 and 9% for 10,000. Okay, every year for 3 years guaranteed. Okay, how many of you guys like this so far? So if you put in 10,000, first year you get 9%, second year you get another 9%, third year you get another 9%. Better than ASB, correct? So how many of you guys like this so far? Come, let me see. Yes, Yvonne, correct. Correct. Colin, correct. Yes, yes. So yes means you like, right? This okay. Yes, okay. So this is number one. Let's see good news number two. Okay. We have something called profit sharing. Okay, like you guys already knew this was coming, right? Too little, Albert Chan. Oh, I'm so sorry. Then I think maybe you can go to the bank. The bank gives you lesser, right? I mean, 7, 8, 9 is better than most of the FD around here, actually. Okay. What if capital less than 2005? Nisha, I'm so sorry. It's only for 2005 as minimum, and then 5,000, and then 10,000. Okay. Okay, so we have if the return better if we invest, do it. Is the return better if we invest, do it ourselves? Joanne, actually, if you can do it yourself, yes, we advise you to do it yourself. Okay, but I'm not sure if you can. Is it better if you do it yourself? Because over here is proven track record. Okay, they can do it for you. They have proved to us that they have made money. Okay, I cannot tell you that you can do better because I don't know what's your background. Okay. Any maximum amount? Yep, no maximum. So usually we will tell our investors maximum 25K. Okay, so you can put 10, 20, 25. Colin, got what charges? I'm not sure what charges you're talking about. Okay. Okay, so let's get back to this profit sharing. So 2005. Okay, again, I'm gonna there's also a risk we lose our capital. Okay, Jacqueline, wait. How many of you guys don't mind or agree if our profit sharing is the same? So just say you put 2005, the profit sharing and 10,000 is the same, or same like your fixed interest. It needs to be different. Is it okay if 10,000 need to be different? Okay. Different. Profit sharing same in percentage. Profit sharing is in ratio. Okay. So since you guys said prefer it to be different. Okay. So if you put in 2005, it's 40-60. Okay, 40 being yours, 60 being the fund managers. Okay, if you put 10,000, it's 50-50. Okay, it's only fair to them because they are taking up all their time to do it. Okay, they day and night they're trading to make the money. Okay, they don't have to do it for us actually. Okay, they're just doing Dato a favor because Anson is Dato's ex-student. Okay, so he told Dato, you have a community, I can help you to grow it. I can help you to make money for them. Okay. So let me give you an example. Okay. But let me explain to you about the interest first. Okay. So your interest. So if you put in 2005, you get 7% per year. Okay. So 7% being $175 per year. Okay. So in 3 years, it's 525. You will already go home with 21%. Okay. So if you put 10,000, okay, you get 900 per year. Okay. At the end of year 3 is 2007, you're already going back with 27%. Mary, no, it's for the full cost. Okay, that means 3 years. Okay, based on per trade. Okay, the profit sharing is based on the 3 years profit. Okay, everything I'm talking about is in USDT. Joanne, USDT, not USD, not RM, USDT. Okay. Okay, I'll give you an example for 10,000. Okay, assuming you put in 10,000. I'm using 10,000 because it's easier to calculate. Okay. So if you put in 10,000, profit sharing is at 50-50. Okay. If Anson's team make 50%, okay, you have seen just now, right? They made 508% highest, lowest is 58. I think it's 50 something percent. Okay, assuming 3 years, in 3 years, okay, die after minus profit and losses, okay, they make profit 50% clean. Okay, 3 years back to back, you go home with 97.3%. Okay, you still go back with 7,000. Okay, if their team make 70%, you go back with 170,000. Okay, go back with extra 14,000. Okay, sorry, 17,000. Okay, if they make 100%, you go back with 318%. Okay, so imagine you put 10,000 and then at the end of year 3, you get 30,000. You guys clear? You guys get any question? You guys got any question? I think this is the best time to ask because this is, I think you guys need to know this. Clear, Yvonne, thank you. The rest of you guys, are you guys still processing? You guys need more time? Clear, good. The rest of you guys, I need to wait for you guys to stay clear, then only I can move on. Understand? Okay, thank you. Clear. Okay, before that, Dr. James said easy peasy, you can make 9x profit. Dr. James said that. Okay, good. Clear. Okay, Bawani said clear. Jess said clear. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you guys one question. How many of you guys are interested? How many of you guys will get into this opportunity? Type I over there. If you type, if I see enough I'll ask my team to send in the link for you to get, for you guys to put your interest. I, not many not many So let me explain. Let me tell you guys something. Okay, so we have done batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Okay, so technically batch 1, batch 2, batch 3 was supposed to be the last one. Okay, so Dr. Michael negotiated with Anson's team, okay, and told them that let's have another one for my for my new members. Okay, so that's why we are doing it. Okay, year end. Okay, so you guys are pretty lucky to get a crypto investment. Okay, so enough. Okay, team, send in the link now. Okay, that was fast. Okay, I'm going to give you guys some time to fill up. Okay, but before that, since you guys have shown interest, okay, how many of you guys want another good news? Come, want another good news? Put G over there. G. I think this is the best news anyone ever want. Okay, but before that, usually when you guys invest in something, what do you guys want? When you invest in something, what do you guys actually want? What do you guys look into? Return. Okay, others? Return. Okay, profit, low risk, high return. How lah, Jacqueline? Low risk, high return. Yes, good return, no loss. Okay, good return. Okay. Okay, so for me, what I want is sense of security. So we have only tonight the opportunity for your batch, Anisha. Yes. Okay, so you need to get invitation to come for the opportunity. So if you don't put in your interest or you're not going to invest, I'm not sure if the team is going to invite your batch again. Okay, usually each batch will do it one time. Okay, so if you are interested, you put now. Okay, okay, so usually what we want is sense of security. Okay, so the last good news is 100% capital protection. Okay, this one you need to thank Dr. Michael. Okay, he would always love to protect all the members. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry about your investment. So you put in 10,000 at the end of year 3, you will still get back your 10,000. Okay, so you guys are silent. I'm assuming that you guys are still filling up because I don't see the excitement here. Nice, James said nice. Okay, so good, right? Okay. Okay, so over here, a little recap. Okay, we have 2 million ringgit slot. Okay, last batch, why 97372700? Ruby, I don't understand what is that. What is that? Ruby, I don't understand. Sorry. Okay, so last batch we collected about 2.2 million, I think. Okay, even when the market was going down, okay, our members know Anson and his team can deliver, okay, and make money during the bear market. Currently, it's bear market. Okay, so over here I will show you guys. Okay, this is what we collected. Okay, the last few batches. Okay, as you can see over here, there is 150,000. Okay, just now this is from a family. Okay, the family put in mother 20, father 20, son 10,000. Okay, they came in as one number. Okay, Okay, so now I'm going to show you the timeline. Okay, the timeline is 7 January is your payment due. Okay, so from now 7, so you got 1 month to prepare the cash. Okay, I understand that it's Christmas coming. Okay, and then Christmas off, New Year's. Okay, and then 1 month I think is actually very good, because previous batch they only get about 2 weeks. Okay, you guys get extra 2 weeks, so it's 1 month. Okay, so project starts 16 April. Okay, project ends 15 April, so it's 2026, so it's 3 years over here. Okay, capital payout and profit within 30 days after completion of 3 years. So every year when we are giving the date to give to send out the interest, you need to give us about 20 to 30 days to transfer the money. Okay, because there's not a few of you guys, there's a lot of you guys that we need to send out the money. Okay, so you need to give us within 30 days period. Okay, you guys can follow, right? 7 January is a lot of time, right? Are you guys okay for 1 month, or you guys can do it within these 1-2 weeks? Yes, Yvonne, once you put in your interest, okay, then our team will contact you. Okay, what type of crypto wallet accepted? Okay, so this falls back to the next question. How many of you guys would want to learn how to do this? Okay, want to open account, how to buy the crypto? Okay, how to transfer? Okay, how to trade in the market? How many of you guys want to know how to do it? So Adrian, you have crypto wallet. Okay, Cairo. Okay, Nisha, you said yes. Okay, Jacqueline. Okay, so the next slide that I'm going to show you, I have not updated it. Ruby Y project only starts in April is because usually we will take 3 months to crowdfund. Okay, this usually one pitch we cannot get the 2 million. Okay, so we need to crowdfund for 3 months, 3 to 4 months. Okay, please show and demonstrate how to open crypto wallet. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry. Okay, I have something called bonus session for those who I put interest. You guys excuse these dates down here because I forgot to update my slides. Okay, so in those of you guys who put in the interest, I will teach you all this. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry. Only those who put in interest. Okay, those who suka want to come in and learn, I suggest you guys go to YouTube. Okay, they can do it for you. But this one is for those who put in interest. Okay, I'm gonna take the responsibility to teach you guys. Okay, it's my obligations. Okay, to teach you guys and help you guys. Okay, are you guys okay with this? The date I will give you later lah, because it's the holiday season. Okay, I'll be traveling as well. So if you want, maybe next week Tuesday, maybe. Okay, I'll let you guys know. I have 2 sessions. Usually I do it via Zoom for those overseas, outstation, or face to face if you're in Klang Valley. Okay, so no, join not 2 sessions. You can join either one. So you can either join Zoom or face to face. If you're in Klang Valley, you just can come over to our office. At least we'll take you for a tour around office. Okay. Okay. So how I help them? So some of them are not tech savvy. Okay, some of them are elderly. Okay, so if you guys think small about yourself that you are a crypto wallet so difficult to open, I don't know, I'm not tech savvy. Are there? Yvonne, don't worry about it. You read this, okay? You can come in. Okay. I think Geraldine was not tech savvy. Andrew as well. Okay, so you come over to our office or via Zoom. I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, and the process will take about 20 to 30 minutes if you are face to face. Investment under our name or under nominee. Call in under your name. Okay, everything needs to be under your name. Even the crypto wallet needs to be under your name. Okay. Okay, so some of them came to office. Okay, we have a team to help. Okay, and then so I'm going to show you the opportunity. What time and day you guys are available. Joanne, don't worry about it. My team will talk to you about this. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this one small matter can be arranged. Okay, so the investment opportunity flow. So you register a crypto wallet account. Okay, we'll send you a PDF. That one is very straightforward. You can just do it. And then your term sheet. Okay, you'll get your term sheet. Then you purchase USDT using P2P. This one is what I will teach you. Transfer. okay, to designated crypto wallet. I will teach you. Okay, return pay direct to your crypto wallet in yearly and 36 months later. This one will send to you, okay, to your wallet. Transaction complete. Okay, so once transaction complete, what do? You sit back, relax, and watch your investment grow. So there's a term and condition. Okay, so you limit personal risk. Okay, USDT value fluctuation. So here's the good news for you guys. Okay, this is the good news for you guys. 2 months ago, or maybe 1 month, was it 1 month? 1 month ago, USDT was at four ringgit 80 cents, or maybe 4.75. Okay, today is sitting at 4 ringgit 35 cents. Okay, so if you want to buy USDT, now is the best time to buy. Okay, the price of USDT can go up to 470, 480 at any time. Okay, if you buy at 430, I think this is considered very good. This is a very good price to buy in. You want, don't worry, within next week the price won't go up. I'll teach you. Okay, so you need to accept the value fluctuation of USDT. Okay, no early withdrawal allowed. Okay, meaning that if you put in your money 10,000 today, you need to forget about your money for 3 years. Okay, so you only put in money that you're willing to forget. Okay, crypto wallet required. Okay, so this one I told you, all the payout will be settled in USDT amount only. Okay, so you put in USDT, we send you back USDT. You cannot come and ask us, can you guys give us in RM? We won't do that. Okay, the trading managed by your team. Okay, so I am the project manager for this. Okay, the fund manager will be Anson and his team, the one I showed you just now, with the track record. So they'll be the one handling the money. USDT 10K means about 4,500. No, it's about 43,500. Okay, more or less 43,000. Okay, USDT 10,000 is about 43,000. Okay, so this is the recap. This is the package. Okay, the summary. You put in 2005, you get interest of 7% every year for 3 years, and then this is the profit sharing. Okay, and then if you put in 10,000, it's 9%, 50-50. So usually our investors put in 10,000. Okay, because it's easier to count as well. Okay, so again, it's USDT. It's not RM. Which crypto can get best USDT rate? Actually, Natalie, if you use Binance, you use Huobi, use Bybit, you see the same people selling it. Okay, they just use different exchange. Okay, so usually, of course, I would teach is use the cheapest one, buy the cheapest one. Okay, you just need to buy at the right time when the seller is selling it. Okay, so okay, this is the recap. Okay, so this is the past trading performance. Okay, 508%. Okay, so this year bear market, if assuming bear market, they make 58%, like 2018, it will constantly go up. Okay, this is how good they are. Okay, any other question? Sorry, I mean I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Any other question? You guys got any question for me? How do we prepare RM in our normal bank account? But in your normal bank account, it is RM, right, Zaini? I don't understand your question. How do we prepare RM in our normal bank account? How I don't know how to answer you. How do we prepare it in your bank? Just assuming your bank is Maybank, so it's RM inside, right? So we will use this Maybank to buy P2P from another person on the exchange. Oh yeah, so okay, so you're talking about because of big amount. Don't worry about that. Okay, you put in your interest, I'll teach you how to do it. How to transfer money to Yvonne, I will teach you how to do it. Okay. Okay, so one thing I need to tell you guys, if you're interested in the investment opportunity, you don't have to worry about how you do it. Okay, I will teach you A to Z. Okay, I'll be there to teach you. Okay, Mary, I will help you to buy. Means we need to have 44K for 10,000 USDT. Correct, Joanne. Big amount RM cannot be transferred immediately, right? Nope. Zaini, you can do it. Okay, you can transfer 40,000 at one go. Okay, depending which bank you're using. Okay, you can use two different bank account, 2020. You don't have to buy immediately. Okay, you can buy separately. Okay, you can buy one shot. It depends on you. Okay, whether you want to do it or not. Excuse me. We have investors buying, was it 45,000, right? One shot, 45,000. CIMB only can transfer max 30,000. So Yvonne, today you buy 30,000, tomorrow you buy 15,000, 45,000, cow team. Okay. And then I understand Maybank to Maybank is also 30,000, but Maybank to third party can be 50,000. So there's always a way to work around with it. Two different account of similar bank account can, as long as the bank account is under your name, okay, you don't have to worry. Okay, the bank account needs to be under your name. Okay, when it needs to reflect, your name needs to be reflected there. Okay, is there an option of profit and capital withdrawal from USDT to MOI at the end of 3 years tenure? No option. So when you give USDT, we'll give you back USDT. Actually, during my session that I'm going to do with you, okay, the bonus session, I will teach you how to sell. Okay, so we'll send USDT to you, you sell it yourself. Okay, more batches in 2023. Actually, I'm not sure because we only talked to them for this one batch. Okay, I'm not sure if next year there's any other batch or not. Joint account, okay. I think should be no problem. Joint account can. Okay, I know some of them, some of the sellers. Okay, we can talk to them. Colin, return can be withdrawn yearly. No, interest will be given to you yearly. Okay, but profit sharing is at the end of year 3. Okay, yes, once we give you the interest, the profit for that year will be compounded to next year. Okay, but different day buying tend to have different exchange rate. Yeah, Zaini, correct, but 0.01 cents usually. Okay, okay, any other questions? Can we top up in between? Mary, okay, so Mary, can you top up in between? Yes, you can top up in between until 16th of April. Sorry, until March. Okay, after March, you cannot top up because our commencement date. Okay, we need to start on our commencement date. Okay, so before that, you can top up, but after that, you cannot. Yep. Okay, any other questions that I missed? How many of you guys are interested but don't want to put interest because you guys have concern? Come, let me know. Yearly interest can be withdrawn. Yearly interest will be transferred to you, Ruby. Okay, yearly interest will be transferred to you yearly, so you can send it. You can sell it yourself. You mean one commencement date start, we can't top up? Yes, Joanne, you can't. So there's no yearly withdrawal is because once the trader has started their trading, okay, you cannot just take out the money because they already planned everything. I showed you just now, right? The tables that they do, they already plan everything. So you cannot withdraw. Okay. So at the same time, you cannot even top up because once you top up, the whole calculation will lari. Okay. Every month, yeah, can we get to see the trading performance? Okay, Suresh, thank you. So trading performance will be done yearly. Okay, because usually crypto within 2-3 months or 6 months, sometimes there's no movement. There's nothing to update you guys. But there is a yearly update to investors. Thank you, Suresh. Thank you. I almost forgot about it. Can we join the next crypto project? Yvonne said, can we join? I'm okay. I can't promise you if there's going to be a next project, the similar project. Okay, but let's see. Okay, you usually if we invited you for this session, we might not invite you again because you guys have listened to it. So because last time we used to invite the same members, they started scolding us. Why are you guys giving us the same investment opportunity? Okay, there's a reason why we never put before. So if you guys are interested, put it in. Okay, if you want to talk about payment, you can talk to my customer, to our customer service team. Okay, can we access our portfolio? No, Mary. So once you have given the money to them, they will do everything for you. You have no access to it. Okay, you only have your term sheet and you wait every year for the interest. Interest for 10K USD 9%, 20K interest, still 9%. Yep. Okay, anything more than 10%, 10K is still 9%. Okay, I've concern about buying rate of USDT from P2P seller, which is much higher than current USDT rate. Natalie, I actually buy my USDT from P2P market all the time. Okay, I don't buy from credit card because the charges is very, very high. Okay, first the rate is high and then you have credit card charges as well. P2P, you don't have that. Okay, so I think I saw yesterday it was 4.3 something. Okay, ringgit. So it's the same when you want to change to USD as well. It's the same price, 4.3 something. Okay, I think 4.3, 4.4 is nothing compared to 4.7, 4.8 where the last batch bought. Okay, any more deals or investment opportunity from Sinton? Perhaps few of us need to diversify our portfolio. Yes, Joanne, you have agro, you have property deal. Okay, I think agro is next week. I think 15. Okay, but it's totally up to you. Okay, you don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, you can, maybe you want to put in 2005 now or 5,000. Okay, so keep the balance to put in for other opportunity. But once you listen to the other opportunity, you feel that crypto is giving you better. If you feel that way, okay, you can always talk to our customer service to top up. What is P2P? P2P is peer-to-peer. Okay, that means on the exchange, they are sellers. Okay, they are humans, they are Malaysians. Okay, they are selling it, Malaysians selling to Malaysians. So it's very, very safe. Okay, they have done their KYC, they have registered their ID, their passport or whatever onto the exchange. Okay, so once you transfer the money to them, they won't run away. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry. Okay, I think we have collected about 7 million and most all of them bought it from P2P. Okay, how could Singaporean open the account? Lee, you're Singaporean, is it? Silly question. I assume you're Singaporean. Okay, Singaporean, you have some exchanges that you can use. Okay, I will teach you as well. I can help you on that as well. Okay, you will be using some other exchanges that I can help you with. Okay, Lee, if you don't mind, are you Singaporean working in Malaysia or Singaporean residing in Singapore? Joanne, not necessarily. You can use Binance, you can use Bybit, you can use Huobi. So let's see when in Thailand. Thailand, which part? Bangkok. Is it in Bangkok? BKK. Okay, I was just in Bangkok, so too late. So Binance can use KuCoin, can use Binance as well. Bangkok, yeah. Okay, so Bangkok don't have to worry. Okay, you can buy. You can but she's Singaporean. She cannot register, so you can use other exchanges as well. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, I'll help you with it. Okay, any other question? So I forgot to get an answer. How many of you guys are interested but have a lot of concern for the trading account that has been opened? Can I use it for personal trading? Yes, Zaini, yes, correct. So if you have opened an account, okay, then you want to transfer to us, okay, then you have your account there dormant. Okay, so if you want, I can help you to just how to run around with the app. Okay. Okay, Nisha, what if I need more time to transfer after 7 January? So this is a first come, first serve basis. Okay. So what usually we'll do is we will not hold for you lah. Okay, so if you put in your interest, you don't transfer by 7 January. You just need to understand that if someone else does it, then your slot, you will be on waiting list again. Okay. So if you want, you can buy first. Okay, maybe you can buy small. Maybe you can buy 1,000 USD first. Okay, then later when you want to buy more, you can buy more. Okay, you don't have to worry. Any other question? Any other question? If no question, then I think it's time to say goodnight. What is minimum? Minimum is 2,500 USDT. That's the minimum. 2,500 USDT. Okay. Your team will contact us by phone. Yes, by phone. By SMS. Sorry, not SMS, by WhatsApp. Okay, so our team just now who sent you the link for the Zoom. Okay, what you mentioned can start with 1K. No, the 1K is for Nisha. If she said, what if you need more time to transfer? So I'm telling her to buy 1,000 first and then gradually buy more later on. Okay, so okay, so any other question? The amount USDT 2.5K, is it going to stay in our trading account or will it be taken out and pulled in? Yes, it'll be pulled and under a crowd fund. Okay, so 2,000, your 2,005 will be joined with other funds, okay, to make up the 2 million ringgit. Okay, and then we will transfer it to the fund manager. They will do all the trading. No, it's not a fintech investment. Okay, it's not a fintech investment. But by what time do we have to submit the interest today? I think by 11:30 the registration form will be closed, maybe 12 o'clock. Okay, so yeah, so by then maybe you can put in your interest. The link to submit the investment value is not the same as your opening crypto wallet, is it? Wait, the link to submit the investment value is not the same as your opening crypto wallet. Is it a separate? I don't understand this question. The link to submit the investment value. No. So this link that you've been seeing sent by CS3, okay, that one is to put in your interest. Okay, once you put in the interest, 3 will send you the acknowledgement, okay, that you will receive your interest, okay. Then he will send you the PDF to how to open the account, okay, and then later on we move forward from there. So meaning we can't see the amount of once it's taken out, right? Yes, Zaini. Once the money is out, then it will show 0. Okay, then unless you top up yourself and you want to buy and sell yourself, then it's on you. Okay. Colin, you will invest in what coin? Like I said, they will look into coins that have good fundamental. So you mostly will be Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so maybe they have other coins that they invest in, but of course they will do their due diligence. Okay, they'll do their assessment on which coins are good to invest. 2.5K will transfer to our crypto wallet or to Sterlington. You will transfer to Sterlington account. Okay, so you will buy so you open the crypto wallet, you buy USDT, you transfer to Sterlington account, and then you forget about it for 3 years. Actually, you forget about it for 3 years, but every year you will get your interest straight to your crypto wallet. So every year you see money coming into your wallet. Okay. Is there an agreement to be signed between investor and the fund? Okay, so agreement is you guys, okay, investors, Dato Michael, okay, and then Dato Michael will have an investment agreement with the fund manager. Okay, so here's the bridge. Okay, here's the bridge between you guys, between both. Okay, will the account be dormant if there's no? No, it won't be dormant. Just make sure that you log in, and then how long will it go dormant? So far I don't think it will go dormant. I have some apps that I don't use. It's not dormant because there's a lot of wallets out there. Okay, a lot of people don't log in. Okay, it doesn't go dormant. Okay. Okay, any other question? Potential for loss. I don't know how to answer you that. Okay, but one thing you need to understand is even loss or no loss, every year you get your interest. Okay, and at the end of year 3, you still get back your capital. Okay, so don't look into the loss. Okay, just think about your interest and the potential profit that you will make and getting back your capital. Okay, potential for loss I cannot answer you because winning and losing is not easy to say. Okay. Any other question? Does the agreement that says our capital is guaranteed? Yes. Jacqueline, you put in your interest, you receive the term sheet, you read it first, then you proceed. Okay. You get we are not taking your money before the term sheet, before you sign the agreement. So you will sign the agreement first, decide whether you want to invest or not. Okay. But to answer your question, yes, it's stated. Okay. Capital is protected and also the yearly interest. Okay, it's stated in the term sheet. Any other questions? When will we receive the agreements? So as soon as you put in your interest, okay, you will receive the term sheet within the next 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Okay. The profit percentage in your slide is minimum. Can be more? Yes. So that is just the example. Okay, so it's 50%. I've shown 50, 70, 100, but it could be more. So the more it is, then the more profit you will get. Any document required need to prepare to open the trading account. Okay, so Zaini, you just need your IC. Okay, you just need your IC. You just register. I'll send you a PDF on how to open the trading account. Excuse me. To buy, to sell, to transfer, I will teach you. But the PDF is good enough to tell you how to open. Okay, you just need to open your account, and then we will either meet or we'll do it on Zoom. Okay. Is it possible to put more than minimum amount of US? No lah, Mohammed. You want to put 3,000, you might as well put 2,005. So that's why there's a reason why you put 5,000, 10,000. Okay, that's accumulate. That's what do you call? What the word? So it's either 5,000 or 10,000. Okay. Can I explain again the 40-60 profit sharing? So Natalie, if you put in 2005, then the profit sharing will be 40% for you, 60% uh for the fund manager. Okay. But I don't know what you want me to explain. So let me show you back the slide. You will send the PDF to everyone. No, James, I'm not gonna waste other members' time. Okay, those who don't put interest, they're not gonna get the term sheet because they're not interested. Why I want to send them the term sheet, right? So if you're interested, you put in your interest, I will send you the term sheet. Okay, then we move forward from there. Means we got to follow your package. Yes. Oh, sorry. Multiply of 2.5. Okay. So if you want, it's a multiply of 2.5K. So the other 2.5, 5K, 10K, 15K. Okay. Anything more than 10K, you get 9%. Okay. Okay, sorry, for this person, Natalie, I don't have an example for 40-60 profit sharing. Okay, but if you're interested, you put in your interest, I will talk to you about the example because I don't have the example. I only have for the 50-50. Okay, means we can put in 15K. Yes, Joanne, you can put in 15K. Okay, if you're interested, you put in when you put in your interest, when the customer service come and talk to you, you just you just tell him off. I want 15K now. Something like this. Okay. Any other question? No question. Okay, Natalie. If we invest 2005 USDT with 7% interest, Mary, what's the question? You want no, actually, yeah, you want 12.5K can. So we'll put you actually can like if you want 12.5, no one have done that before. They either put 10 to 15, 10 or 15, but you want 12.5, then of course we'll give it to you. No, maximum is 25K. Okay, we don't want you to put too much money into it. So it's either 2.5. Usually it's 2.5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, you guys are just too funny. 12.5K and okay, any other question? It's getting late. I think some of you guys also, some of them are leaving already. Maximum is 25. Yes, 25K, correct. Meaning for now, we can submit interest 2.5K, later decide to go 5K, still can. Yes, Jacqueline, can. No problem. Jacqueline, no problem. Now you put 2.5K, later you decide to go for 5K, you still can do it. We had members who, at the beginning of the pitch, we still got 2 or 3 months to go. They put 2.5. Later on, they top up 12.5. So technically 15K. So they were just waiting for the money to come in. Okay. How our family member can claim back the investment we made if anything happens to us investors die, right? Okay. So you can do a will, okay, to say that whatever investment is under your name will go directly to them. So touch wood, if anything happens to you, okay, so your next of kin will have your will, right? Just come and show to us. You'll send to them. Okay, Joanne, thank you very much for your time. Good night. Okay, stay healthy, stay safe. Okay. Okay, so you guys are actually chasing me already with all the thank you. Okay, could you elaborate more why there is a max cap? Okay, so why is there a max cap is because just now someone asked, right? How do we diversify our portfolio? So you put in all your money, 25K is I think that's the maximum they will take for this. We want to give other people a chance as well. Okay, if you put 25K, you actually take up at least a lot of slots actually. Okay, if you put in 2.5K, you imagine the balance 22.5K can be taken by other people. Okay, if someone invests 12.5K, does it mean that the person will get ROI profit sharing of 2 packages? Huh? Yeah, lah, based on 10K. So whatever more than 10K, you just get 9%. Okay. And actually, I know you took so much time to type this, but whatever more than 10K, you get 9% and 50-50. Capital guaranteed and got potential for loss. How it works? Colin, capital guaranteed and got potential. So how it works? So these fund managers, okay, they have enough money. Actually, they don't need our money. Okay, we're just doing it. They're just doing it for Dato. Okay, so if they lose your money, okay, you still get back your capital. Okay, so I don't really understand your question. Capital guarantee and how maybe they have reserve funds. Okay, so every banks have reserve funds, right? So fund manager also got reserve funds. Okay, so if they lose your money, they'll just top up with their money and pay back to you. Okay, if lost, they have to top up lah. If lost, they have money to cover back, so you don't worry about that. Okay, that's why it's capital protected. Okay. Okay, any other question? Capital protection guaranteed by Dato. Okay, so this company will be under Dato's name. Okay, when you get the term sheet, you can see Dato's name at the bottom. Okay, that's it will be his Chinese name. Okay, it'll be written Tan Inju. Okay, so you will see this name. Okay, it'll be protected under his company. Okay. Any other question? No worry, Ansel can compensate with his Lambo. Yeah, I don't think we'll compensate with your Lambo. I think he has enough funds to pay you back. Okay. Do you have session to learn how to open the crypto wallet? So Michelle, maybe you missed out just now. We will send you a PDF on how to open the wallet. Okay, the rest of it, like how to buy, how to sell, how to transfer, I will teach you personally. Okay, it's either a Zoom session or a face-to-face. Okay, if you're in Klang Valley, it's better. I can meet you guys. It's even better. It's even easier to do it face-to-face. Okay. Okay. So if there's no other question, it's time to say goodnight. Okay. I'll see you guys around. So I would like to thank you guys for your time, and for those of you guys that put in your interest, I will see you guys soon. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Good night, and see you guys around.